Hi everyone, this is Ashwin Nair and welcome to Easy Robo Pro, where we make robotics and programming fun and easy to understand. In this video, we will take a look at the top robotics platforms that you can use as a beginner to enter into the world of robotics. So robotics combines various aspects of electronics, mechanical engineering and computer programming into a single subject with a major focus on the latter. Robots are used in various domains like military, industry, construction, medicine, and even in the kitchen. When we hear the word robot, the first thing that comes into our mind is that of a humanoid form that walks and talks like us humans. However, robots are not limited to any particular form or shape. In simple words, a robot is any machine which can be programmed and made to function automatically. In fact, most robots used in industries do not resemble anything close to a humanoid form, but are more purpose driven. For example, this is an automobile assembly line which is fully automated with the help of robots. There are various ways to start learning robotics as a student. Some of the most popular platforms for beginners are Lego Mindstorms, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. So Lego is generally associated with bricks and various different structural kits, but they also make a great robotics kit in the form of Lego Mindstorms. Mindstorms was first introduced in the form of the RCX kit, which later evolved into the NXT and then the EV3. The Mindstorms EV3 kit is an extremely popular learning platform due to its ease of use, quick setup, and extremely robust and high quality set of parts. The Mindstorms platform consists of the physical kit, which has the brick, the sensors, the actuators, as well as the structural parts to enable you to make various kinds of projects. Along with this, you will also need the Mindstorms software to program the brick. The software has a graphical drag and drop interface and is very beginner friendly, while at the same time it incorporates all the same concepts as a traditional programming language. Thus, you can create quite complex projects in Mindstorms as well. Arduino is a platform which consists of the Arduino microcontroller board as well as the software through which you can program the board. The Raspberry Pi, on the other hand, is a small computer which runs Linux and can be used as a replacement for your CPU. You must be wondering, where are all the other parts that I need to build a robot? The answer to this question is that there isn't a definite list of parts that you get to use with the Arduino or the Raspberry Pi. And this may be an advantage or a disadvantage depending on the way you look at it. In theory, you can build any kind of sensor or actuator to be used with either of these platforms. For the robot structure, you are only limited by your imagination. Having said that, there are various popular kits which make use of these platforms to provide you with a set of parts. Making a project involves sourcing the components based on your project requirements. For Arduino, you can use the Arduino IDE, which uses a combination of C and C++ functions. For Raspberry Pi projects, you will generally use Python as the programming language. Testing, and lots of it. Since the Arduino and the Raspberry Pi are more bare and allow you to access the internal electronics, it may lead to a lot of errors with the circuit not working the way you intended. This may be very frustrating. However, when you get it right, it's extremely rewarding since you get the independence of choosing exactly which part is in your project. As a student, there are various avenues that allow you to showcase your knowledge in this field. Competitions such as WRO and FLL allow students to use the Lego Mindstorms kit to build and program robots to complete a set of tasks. On the other hand, for competitions like IIT TechFest, Robotex, etc., students need to build up robots and projects with the help of Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or any other prototyping platform. Some events also allow students to showcase new products and ideas in robotics. Robotics has become an integral part of a lot of schools' curriculum in recent years, since it helps students to learn as well as practically try out their projects and see how it works. Thus, it serves as a great way to learn various engineering fields while being engaging as well as fun.
So what are you waiting for? Choose a robotics platform as per your convenience and get going in your journey in robotics.